Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is that we're going to find the midpoint. You need a plain paper or a drawing paper of some sort. Then you find the midpoint. Then you draw a straight vertical line. If your hand is straight, you can just draw it by yourself or with just your hand, with your bare hands. I use the ruler. So you find the midpoint. Mine was 14.75. We are going to remove 3 centimeter. By the way, I'm measuring in centimeter, so remove 3 centimeters. So I have about 11.75. So from the remaining vertical line on the down part, I had about 18. I divided into 2, that's 9 centimeter. Then I also measured another 2 centimeter, but I also measured another 1 centimeter because of this type of style of leg I wanted to draw. Now to the head part, we are measuring 3 centimeter as you are seeing over there. Then for the width of the head, I normally use 2 centimeter, so that's 1 centimeter on both sides. So I went ahead and used that measurement to draw a pentagon as seen. Just follow what I'm doing and try to make a photocopy of it. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I used to say. Just do something reasonable. Okay, so I'm still drawing the pentagon, as you can see. I hope you are getting it. So I'm going to use the pentagon to draw a circle. It's just a guide so that you can draw a circle. If I was using a pencil, after I'm done, I'll just clean the edges. So it's just form a perfect shape of the head. Then since we are drawing a male illustration, you're going to just do it as seen. Then the male neck is normally broad, so I had a broad neck here. Then the shoulder is broader than that of females, so I used about 2 centimeter. Then you're going to draw a circle as seen, just by the end of the drawing the chest. Now it doesn't have to exactly be perfect because I made some mistakes here and it's almost not visible. So I am drawing the waist. Just follow through as you see it. Yours can even be perfect than this. So for the hips, male normally have large hips, so I'm using 4 centimeter, but I'm using about 2.5 on the other, on one side. I'm using lesser centimeter on the other side. So I'm joining the waist to the hips. That's just a line, a kind of demarcation of the private part, just to be able to know where to start from when you want to draw the laps. So you can see where I just painted out. So the leg is sort of kind of curve, as you can see. It's from the upper part, from the upper part it's kind of large, then moving to the down part is narrow. So the same thing applies to this. You pick it from where it is, then coming down it becomes narrow. Then when you get to the first 1 centimeter, we added 1 centimeter, you draw the first foot, I mean. So now we're drawing the second leg. That was just an aid by drawing it like that. I even made a mistake because it's not as wide as I wanted it to be, but like I used to say, it doesn't exactly have to be very perfect. And if I had an eraser, I would have likely cleaned it, but I'm using a pen, so anything goes. So it's almost like a freestyle. So like I said earlier, a larger part from the upper part, then narrow when coming down. So you see where we marked 9 centimeter, that's where the knee is going to start from. So just follow through as seen. Then you see this one is not going to stop at 1 centimeter, it's going to come down to where the 2 centimeter is. So that's where the feet is going to be as seen. It's just to give it a special effect though. So for the hand, I'll be using 11 centimeter for the length. So definitely the both lengths should be the same, the left and the right and should be the same length. That's 11 centimeter. So you divide this 11 centimeter into 2, that's 5.5. So you can note that's going to be where the elbow is going to be of some sort. So the same way you drew the leg, you're going to find a curve and you pick an appropriate part of the chest to form the other side. Then it becomes narrow. Then when you pick the other one, narrow, large, narrow. Then when you get to the tip end of the 11 centimeter, you can now draw your hand. This hand, I normally freestyle with it. I don't exactly draw a very perfect, and you can always learn how to do that anyway if you want to, but I used to believe it's not exactly compulsory. So exactly what I did the other time, I divided into 2, that's 5.5, then a curve from the chest, then the shoulder too, then I'm picking it from that elbow part and bringing it down to the end of the 11 centimeter, then I'm drawing the hand. So that's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and I hope you're enjoying the video. Thank you.
Holy God. You know. Oh lele, holy God. Oh lele, holy God. Oh lele, holy God. Holy God. Oh lele, holy God. That's good. Holy God. Set down. Holy God. May I get up? Holy God. To my bed. Holy God. Repetua. Holy God. The ball. Holy God. May your turn up. Holy God. Oh lele.